In this video, I'm going to be showing you how I achieved this sleek, classy and simple bun with my Faux natural hair. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're a returning subscriber, you're the real G. Thank you for always stopping by. And if it's your first time on here, you're super welcome. Do well to join the family by clicking on the red subscribe button below. Also turn on bell notifications so you get notified every single time I upload a new video. I'm Chinonso Okoronkwo, and on this channel I film about all things beauty, fashion and lifestyle. Starting off, I'm going to be taking out this twist I made the night before, and at this point the girl was feeling those curls and I was contemplating whether to continue with the bun or to style my hair in a twist out. Your girl was confused. I didn't know what to do at that point, but I just went ahead and continued with the bun I planned to make. So I properly moisturized, detangled and put my hair in this twist a night before because I wanted to retain length. I wanted my hair to be as stretched as it could be without using heat from a blow dryer or a straight iron. So I'm just going to take out all of those twists and further detangle my hair. Once I was done with combing out my hair, I'm going to be going into the Salon Pro gel. This one is a dupe for the Eco Styler gel, and I'll be using a little amount of this. If you are comfortable with having a lot more gel, please by all means proceed to using more gel, or if you want to keep the hair longer, you can use more gel, but I was okay with this amount of gel. Using my white tooth comb, I'm going to be combing out my hair to smoothen it out and further blend in that product. Next, I'll be going into this hard bristle brush to further smoothen things out. And using this elastic band, I'm going to be holding my hair up and putting it in a baby bun. For extra hold, I'm going to be going into this black hair gel, and I'll be using that amount. I'll just rub that into my palm and apply it all over my hair. Going back to that hard bristle brush, I'm going to be using that to blend in that gel and also smoothing everything out. So at this point, your hair should look well laid and flat like this. So to even lay the hair better, I'm going to be tying it down, and for this style I like to use two scarves. I tie one from the front going to the back, and I tie the other one from the back coming to the front, so that way I know that most parts of the hair is tied down. If that makes sense. So you can have this scarf on for like 15, 20, 30 minutes or more, depending on how much time you have and how dense your hair is. But I'm going to be leaving mine on for the duration of my makeup.
Disregard the noise in the background. I was here just doing my stuff and arranging my things, and my eyes just came to my camera, and I sighted myself, and I couldn't help but treat fam. God they create. God they what? God they create. And that's some period. What? Ah, no. I'm fine. Wow. I'm fine. That's what I came to say. I'm a fine girl. And I know it. And glory to Jesus. Baby, I'm a fine girl. Do you know?
Very beautiful.
Shit. What the? Queen. God they create. That's some period. Period. Period.
Investment.
One person find like 30 people. Jeez. What the? Just ignore the situation here. It's a process. Ah, please.
Apologies.
Please. Oh my God. Oh no.
I dash you $40,000.
Self-love. Like I'm tripping on myself. Please bring it, my brother.
You want it, Daddy?
Yeah, I do.
Okay, now we're back. You guys disregard how my hair looks at this point, but this is a clip to show you guys the hair I'm using. This is like 4 or 5 strands from the Darling Natural Twist hair, and I'm gonna be cutting that in the middle like so. Then I'll be folding it into half like that, and I'm just fluffing out the ends so that they are as equal as possible. And using an elastic band, I'm going to be making a loop in the middle like so. You guys just watch and see what I did there. So now I'm going to attach that to that baby bun I did at the top of my head. Once that is in, I'm going to be attaching this padding for extra volume. At this point, I'm going to be taking out my scarf, and you guys, I absolutely like how this baby hair turned out. I mean, gorgeous. I'm so sorry, I actually filmed me laying those baby hairs, but I mistakenly deleted it. But I promise to show you guys in another video. So what I'm doing right now is just spreading out that kinky hair, and once I'm done with separating them somewhat, I'm going to be tucking them underneath that padding, and I'll just leave you guys to watch and see what I do. So what I'm doing is spreading the kinky hair, tucking it underneath the padding. I separate the kinky hair, I tuck it underneath the padding, and I'm just going to continue doing all of that. So you want to ensure that that padding is not going to be showing through the kinky hair. Okay, so you want to make sure that you are using the kinky hair to properly cover that padding. You don't want people seeing the pad, okay, from the kinky hair. I mean, that's going to look tacky, and that's not what we are trying to achieve. Oh, my hand hurts. So you want to take your time to arrange it well, dress it properly, tuck in every part that needs to be tucked in. Make sure it's in the right shape before we proceed to pinning it down. Using our bobby pins, we're going to be securing this hair down. Pin it down, no, ladies and gentlemen. Because the last thing you want to do is to go out, so wherever you're going to, church, party, and you're cashing your phone and everything, and this hair falls. I can't even imagine that scenario. So pin it down. No, don't say I didn't warn you. Secure it, pin it down. So for me, I used a total of like 5-6 pins. You can use less, you can use more, however the case. Pin it down. My God. What?
I don't do makeup. 5 past 7. I don't do makeup.
In your
When you do
mind.
makeup, I'm finer than you.
Why?
How much my do makeup makeup?
You want to become
You
publicist?
go dey rush me.
You want to become publicist?
Just put small eyeshadow for me now. Listen.
What are you doing in my video now? What? What? You just want to come and show yourself. And there you have it, easy peasy lemon squeeze. This tutorial was easy, right? It was easy, right? Will you be trying it out? Let me know in the comment section below if you'll be trying out this hairstyle on yourself, okay? Save some coins, baby. Not every time you're going to the salon to do this. Once in a while, try to do it yourself. Let's see what you can do by yourself. Hope you were able to learn a thing or two. If you did, please let me know by giving this video a thumbs up, like this video, share to family and friends. You never can tell who needs to see how to create this simple hairstyle for themselves. Also leave me a comment in the comment section below. If you think I did a great job, please let me know. If you'll be trying it out on yourself, please let me know in the comments as well. Leave me suggestions on videos you want me to create, stuff you want to see from me. Leave everything down in the comment section below. I'll be sure to read and reply, and feel free to check out other videos on my channel. I'm sure you love it. I'm sure you learned something. And until I see you guys in my next one, enjoy the outro and stay fab and stay blessed. I know I've said a lot of end, but yeah.